Hello everyone and welcome back. FindYourFX.com and Bulletproof Traders are in the house. And today, crypto market trade of the day, our focus is on the Dogecoin. This time I really wanted to give you a heads up before I actually pull the trigger, because this is literally our next position in line. I mean, the technical situation is very compelling, and I want to go over it and talk a little bit about what's coming, what's maybe lurking around the corner. Super interesting situation here, guys. We see the Dogecoin starting to turn around at the bottom of the range that we defined back in November, right? So ever since mid-November, after the big rally that we've had in the market, right? We've seen the Dogecoin started to stabilize and starting to trade sideways as a form of technical correction, I believe. And we've talked about the back and forth exchanges that we've had here. And we also had a very successful short position that we initiated when price action was coming right off the top and starting to turn around. We designated the 0.3633 as our target. We even had a lower target than that one that represented the previous low that was established back in mid-November. And yeah, we knocked off these two targets about a week ago, right? Now, I mean, as we terminated that bearish campaign, we took the back seat because we wanted to, observe the developments here on the Dogecoin, and we felt like at some point we might get back to it, but this time gonna flip over and chase the upside. Since it's trading sideways, I think it will continue to trade sideways casually. So now, coming from the bottom, I see the upside potential to go back to where it came from, pretty much. We're talking about the level of 0.40155. That's a solid key level resistance that we're going to be using as our main profit target. I also want to show you how it looks like from the monthly perspective, because you can see, and this is really where we're coming from. Looking at the monthly chart, right? That's the highest authority, especially the close of the monthly bar, which, by the way, we're short about 7 days to the end of the month. So around 7-8 days, we're going to have an official close on the monthly bar. But I actually jumped the gun a little bit here because I can already see what's happening. I don't have to wait to the end of the month, because you can see that the lowest level of support in that range that we've captured is 0.3166, that level right here. And you can see how price action on the monthly session is pulling back up nice and slow, and is now back inside of the range. And I think that spells that tells us something very important. It sheds some light on the upside potential. Because if price action was going to break down, it would have been trading below 3166. The fact that it's pulling back up as the month progress and closing in on the end of it, I feel like this is a strong indication the price action is not really going to break down, but really is going to turn around and go back up to that to the upper section of the range. So yeah, the monthly chart is telling us a lot. It's giving us that head start that we need. And now it's time to pull the trigger and establish a long position. But again, this is only short-term perspective we're talking about, right? The short-term cycle is the one that's setting the tone right now. Ever since mid-November, this back and forth exchange deserve one more leg back up to 41.55. So get ready we're gonna be jumping into position real soon, probably in the next 24 hours, chasing the key level resistance of 41.55. Stop loss level is probably gonna be around the level of 24.50 or maybe even 0.25, somewhere below the lowest low that we've had here 5 days ago. Alright, that's about that for this one, Dogecoin. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. We're moving on to the next one.